Iyang okay pwede bang kupuran sa machay coach. Waun ki wasa labalaban buhin Pohnpei unsak nan balyan chiyak government o mumotso. On behalf of our team, Pohnpei North, as we call it, I would like to extend and pay our respects to our distinguished guests, wherever they may be, the board members of the Micronesian Women Organization, and all the beautiful women that gather today. So before we get into our performance, we would like to begin with our highlight for the Pohnpei Island. So I would like to welcome Ms. Jocelyn Conrad.
Hello everyone, my name is Jocelyn Conrad and I was asked today to say a few words about a very talented and dedicated woman from the Federated States of Micronesia in Pohnpei. Magdalena L. Abram Walter was born in March 7, 1950 in Palikir, Pohnpei State. 1951. All of us Micronesian women here in Utah would like to wish you, Mrs. Magdalena Walter, a very happy birthday. She then went to two primary level schools, started at Palikir Elementary School and moved to Colonia Elementary School, and graduated in 1968 and went to Wispan High School Mission School in Chuuk State. In 1972 to 1978, she attended Silliman University in the Philippines. In 1978 to 1980, she worked as a staff nurse at the Pohnpei State Hospital. She started as a staff nurse and became the chief nurse. In 1981 to 1991, she attended UH University of Hawaii and graduated with a master's degree in nursing administration. Same year, in 1991, she passed the examination for U.S. licensing requirement as a registered nurse. She went back to Pohnpei State and continued working for the Pohnpei State Hospital in 1997. She retired due to the early retirement program as recommended by the World Bank to reduce the government employees. In 1997 to 1998, she worked with a nursing home company in Florida to train locals which practice nurse to work in the nursing homes in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and other places. In 1998 to 2003, she works with the family business which is called NICO and NICO Marine Park. In 2004 to 2014, she became the second woman to be elected as Pohnpei State Legislature as a senator at the state level. In 2014, she attempted to run at the National Congress and was not successful, but second to the incumbent. In 2016 to 2019, she became the National Secretary of Health at the national government. In July 2019 until now, Magdalena L. Abraham Walter has worked with the family business again. The most important thing in life is setting a goal. If you set your goal, make the best of it. Don't give up. There will always be trials and hardships, but don't give up. If we fail, pick up the pieces and do it again until we succeed. If our sister Magdalena L. Abraham Walter can do it, why can't we? Thank you and God bless.
Thank you. So at this time, since we are proud to be Pohnpeians, we would like to briefly explain the symbolics of our own state flag. And I would like to welcome Amal to do that.
Thank you. Okay, so, yeah, I'm indeed an honor to give a little brief of our own flag of Pohnpei, which stands as the capital of the Federated State of Micronesia. Its own color and image within the flag does give a symbolic meaning to its own island, Pohnpei. Each image symbolizes a significant part of Pohnpei culture lifestyle. So the blue background represents the ever-present ocean. We are surrounded by ocean with the fresh reef fish. So the 11 stars signify each of the municipalities in Pohnpei. The coconut leaves symbolize the importance of the plants plant for our beautiful home, greenish island of Pohnpei. A source of living that gives shelter, food, drinks, medicine, clothing, and many more. Last but not least, the sakao or kafagak, which you all can see that it's made of the coconut shell. It represents the symbolic uniqueness of Pohnpei culture. It's our culture. As you can listen to the rhythm, it is the sounds of the roots of the kava or sakao plants pounding on flat, large rock preparing for a tradition gathering or ceremony. This unique rhythm is calling for the squeeze, which is made from hibiscus skin, and it's squeezed upon the sakao into the half coconut shell. Part of the tradition ceremony, woman brings lace or maramar, as we call in our unique language, to respectful place on the head of the Dutchian leaders and their distinguished guests. We are proud to be a Pohnpeian.
Okay, so our team is very proud to present to you a dance called Surbak, in which the steps and movements were taken from its own unique traditional dances of Pohnpei. It has traditional elements, but over years, Pohnpeians incorporated its movements into a sound of a music. So I would like to welcome our team, Pohnpei North.
Hit it, DJ.
Samba Sangome. So broke away, so broke away. So many many upside down.